In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check login history on Facebook Messenger. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile picture. Once that menu opens, I'm looking for settings and privacy, and then I'm clicking settings. That takes me into the main settings area, and from here I'm just following the account security path step by step, so it's easy to keep up on screen. Now that I'm inside settings, I'm looking for account center. Once I see it, I'm clicking on it because that's where Facebook keeps the connected account and security controls. After that, I'm selecting password and security. This is the section I need if I want to see where my account is signed in, including messenger sessions, so I'm opening that now and just waiting for the page to load. At this point, I'm looking for the option that says where you're logged in. As soon as I see it, I'm clicking it, and now Facebook shows me a list of devices and locations where my account is currently logged in. So this is the part you want if you're trying to check login history for Facebook Messenger, because those messenger sessions are included along with the rest of your Facebook account activity. I'm just letting the list load fully so I can see everything clearly on screen. Now I can start looking through the list. I'm seeing the devices and locations where the account is signed in, and if I want more information about a specific session, I'm clicking on that session directly. Once I do that, Facebook shows more details like the device type and the location. So if I'm trying to figure out whether a login looks familiar, this is where I can check a little more closely. I'm just opening one session at a time and looking at the details Facebook gives me. This part is pretty simple once you know where the setting is. I'm not opening Messenger separately for this because everything is being checked through Facebook settings under the account security section. So I'm just staying inside Account Center, reviewing the list and clicking any session I want to inspect more closely. So I'm moving through it again the same way on screen. I open Facebook, click my profile picture at the top right, choose settings and privacy, then settings, open Account Center, select password and security, click where you're logged in, and then look through the list of devices and locations where the account, including Messenger, is logged in. If I want more details, I click a session to view the device type and location. Once you know this path, it becomes really easy to check your login history anytime you want.